Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get colorful notes on Instagram. So you can't always have colorful notes. So you used to be able to have gold notes. And the gold one was actually for the Olympic Games in Paris last year. They also had the Halloween one, which turned your notes orange. And for the New Year's one, it was purple. And right now, I think you're not able to make your your notes colorful because I don't think there's a color right now. Maybe there would be one. There will be one for Valentine's Day. I'm not quite sure. But it used to be again gold for Olympics, orange for Halloween. I don't know if they had one for Christmas. Maybe they did, like the green one. Maybe I didn't actually check because I don't celebrate Christmas. But here on the note, again, you used to be able to do gold for the Olympics and it would turn gold. Orange for Halloween. And here, I don't know if I'm still able to do New Year's. Okay, no, it was only available in like 2025, like the beginning, like the really beginning of it. Since it's the end of the month, there isn't any available color notes right now, but that is it. Hopefully they'll have pink for Valentine's Day, but I don't even celebrate Valentine's Day or have a partner to celebrate it that with. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. That's how you can get kind of colorful notes on Instagram, kind of. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.